G students, as I have told you, the simple harmonic motion and the relationship of motion of horizontal mass spring system. So in the figure, you can see clearly that there is a mass M that is attached with a spring, horizontal mass spring. We will extend this mass horizontally from its mean position to the extreme position. This is the extreme position, and after that, coming towards the extreme position, the mass, by the help of its restoring force, it will come towards its mean position. On coming towards its mean position, it will go back towards another extreme position known as A dash. There are three positions. One is O, second is A, and third is A dash. First of all, the mass would be at O. We will put a force on it. It will displace some distance towards A. It will come back towards O, and after that, it will come at A dash. Why it will come back towards O, or why it will go towards A dash from O? It is because of the inertia that this mass have. Because of the inertia and the restoring force, this mass, when go at its first extreme position, will come back towards its mean position, and because of its inertia, it will not stop here. Because of its mass, it will not stop here and go back towards its another extreme position. Let us consider A dash, O, and A, these 3 points of a mass spring system on a frictionless horizontal table as in figure. I have deduced that F is equal to minus kx according to the Hooke's law. As you have done, F is equal to kx. Why this minus is putting over here? Like negative sign shows that Fr, restoring force, directed opposite to x. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. You have seen that. You have done it before. One is F is equal to minus kx according to this figure. We have taken a force that is F is equal to minus kx. The k is the constant and x is a displacement of this mass when it moved from here to here, or when it moved from its extreme position to mean position. If you need, I will got that in this way, like this is the x. So according to second law, F is equal to ma. This is the value of force and this is the value of force too. So compare 1 and 2. When we compare 1 and 2, ma is equal to minus kx. Put a over here and take m here. Minus k over m into x. As you know, k is a constant, m is a constant. So these two quantities are constant. So I have done this equation like a is equal to constant minus x, and at the place of constant I have put a directly proportional sign. So this shows that a is directly proportional to minus x. Again, minus shows that Fr directed opposite to the x, restoring force is directed opposite to the x. So this is the basically relationship of simple harmonic motion and a mass spring system. Simple harmonic motion and a mass spring system. Thank you so much.